Drum roll, please. That was terrible. That was a terrible drum roll. Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey, for those of you who don't know, and I post videos every Friday, so let's just jump on into it. Thankfully, conventions are going to come back very soon. So today, the two of us are going to be packing a convention bag together. Let's go! So, first and foremost, I have my lovely backpack over here. It's just a regular backpack. Sometimes I'll switch it up. I'll use like my bunny bag or different backpacks depending on who I'm cosplaying, but this is typically my go-to just because it has so many pockets and it's a really good size. So just get yourself a backpack and let's dive on into it. So first and foremost, the most important thing you will pack in your bag is this. Drum roll, please. That was terrible. That was a terrible drum roll. But water bottle. Please stay hydrated during conventions. Super important. I'll take a sip with you. Take your water right now. See? Nice and cold. But seriously, drink your water. It's really important to stay hydrated. If I can get it in a pocket. I always keep these just in my side pocket in case it spills. And then let's just get through it and talk about what else I have. I have, of course, my phone charger with one of these little wall plug things. I typically put this in the front pocket so it's just easily accessible for me or for friends who really need a charger. And along with my wall outlet, I always have a portable charger. I typically carry like a bunch of these with me, like 4 of these with me. I have so many of these of different sizes and shapes and all of that, and I always put them in the front pocket so they're really easily accessible. I have everything kind of in a line, so we'll just go through it. Next up, I have safety pins. I can't find the lid for this though, so we're gonna just pretend there's a lid on this and just put it in there. Pretend put it in there. But safety pins are really important to bring if you're wearing a cosplay that you know might fall apart, or if your cosplay is unfinished and you still want to wear it. And they're just good to keep on you because I promise you someone's cosplay or someone's outfit is going to fall apart like during the convention, and it's so nice to have safety pins because like hot glue guns take up a lot of room. So safety pins are the way to go for makeshift cosplays. Okay, so next up we have reusable straws. Just because we all know we're gonna get fast food at some point, and I really like to carry reusable straws on me. I'm trying to cut down on my use of plastic. So these bad boys are really nice. They're made out of silicone and they like fold up easy. And then I also have some made out of metal and plastic. But these are just the easiest to transport because I can literally just connect them like that. Super easy. Next up we got reusable bags because we all know we're gonna buy some stuff at the artist alley and we need a place to put them. So I love these foldable bags that just are so tiny. I have I think 4 of these, and I always just put them in the side pocket like with my water bottle or the other one because you know they squish down. They squish down really nicely. Something else that's mega important that I completely forgot to mention is your medication. Please take your medication. Please take it and put it somewhere really easily accessible. I have this tiny front pocket that I always put my meds in. That way I never have to dig through looking for them. I know exactly where they are. They're in the tiny little front pocket. Please bring your meds. Don't forget to take them. They're super important. And speaking of medications, I am the pharmacy friend. I always have Tums and Excedrin and Midol and ibuprofen and band-aids. I always have all of those, except I haven't unpacked my band-aids yet from where I'm moving, so I don't know where those are right now. But I do have my Excedrin and my Tums and all that. I always take these because I personally get migraines all the time, and I know that everybody around me probably has a headache from their wigs too, so it's always good to carry just a bunch of stuff with you just in case someone isn't feeling well. You can just be like, oh, stomach ache, I have Tums. Headache, I have Excedrin. So yeah, if you ever see me at a con, I promise you I have band-aids, I have Excedrin, I have ibuprofen. Don't be afraid to come up and be like, hey Lainey, I know you don't know me, but can I have an ibuprofen? And I'll be like, heck yeah. course. I got you. Okay. Anyways, speaking of things that are important to our health, I always bring a fan with me too, so I don't overheat, because I have a rare skin condition that connects to my nervous system and it goes ugh when I overheat, so I typically have like a little handheld fan with me. And also these are great for posing if you're having a bad makeup day. See? Wonderful. I do that all the time for photos where I cover my face with a fan. And yeah, no one thinks twice about it. And I always kind of keep these in the side pocket too, so they're super easy to bring out. That way no one overheats. Okay, what else do we have over here? Oh, more medical stuff too. Well, not really medical stuff, but of course bring in some like sanitary pads or, you know, personal hygiene products if you have a uterus, and even if you don't, definitely bring some of these with you, because I can promise you someone else forgot them and they probably really need them. So I always try to carry some of these guys and some tampons in my bag with me just in case I need them or someone I know needs them. And even if you don't have a uterus, like if I personally did not have one, I would still bring them with me in case a friend needed one or just a stranger needed one. So definitely bring some with you. It really sucks when you ruin your cosplay that way. My first ever convention that happened to me, so now I always bring them with me for me and anybody else in need. And anyways, I'm sorry that was really personal, but we kind of need to normalize talking about this stuff, like it's nothing to be embarrassed about. Other stuff not to be embarrassed about is to bring deodorant with you. And whether it's a deodorant or an antiperspirant, definitely bring one with you, because conventions get nasty and sweaty and we don't want to make anybody faint with how bad we smell. So bring some of these guys with you. You can bring dry shampoo with you, but like also please shower. Like I'm seriously begging you to please shower. Put that in the bag. Our bag is getting a little bit heavy now, but thankfully I have a 6'3" strong boyfriend to carry my stuff for me. And then we also, this is so important. I can't believe I didn't see this sooner. I am very clumsy. I try to be as careful as I can, but I have spilled a lot of stuff in my lifetime, and that's why it is really important to bring some type of stain remover with you, like a Tide stick. So they're super tiny, they fit everywhere, they're cheap, like please just bring it with you. You don't want to ruin your hundreds of dollars spent on a cosplay when you could easily remove that stain with a little Tide stick. Hair ties are my next thing on our list, of course, because always need them. I normally have like 10 bajillion on my wrist, but I took them off last night while I was sleeping and I haven't put them back on. But always good to have, even for wigs too. When you're eating, you can just easily tie them behind your back, like how I did this one. Super nice. People always constantly need these, constantly use them, always have them on you just in case. We're just gonna keep going down the line. Yeah, so next up, contacts and your glasses. Contacts and your glasses, and I have my contact solution somewhere in this pile, and I don't know where it is, but just pretend I have it. But contacts and your glasses, eye drops, bring all of that, because there have been so many times where I'm at a con and I'm like, oh my god, my eyes are so dry, they hurt so bad, I need to take out these circle lenses, but I can't take them out because I don't have my glasses and I still need to drive home. Like, that's not okay, it's not safe, it's stupid. Just bring your glasses, bring your contacts case, and bring some eye drops, okay? For those of you who are 20/20 vision, I personally hate you, and please trade eyesight with me because I am blind. And then next up we have just some hand lotion. Mine is L'Occitane en Provence, which is literally what I swear by. Best stuff ever to exist on the planet. Basically all I've been using for as long as I can remember, because it's simply the best. So if you need hand lotion that actually, you know, keeps your hands not dry, smells amazing, isn't sticky, doesn't leave like a gross residue, this stuff is where it is at. My friends love this stuff too. If I have it on me, my friends will be like, yeah, can I have some hand lotion? And apparently my hands are very soft, but like, I don't really let people touch me. Anyways, next up, you can probably tell where this is heading, is all of our makeup stuff. Makeup stuff that I bring with me is blotting paper, because my skin gets really oily, so this is always good to have. We'll put that in our bag right here. And then I also have my foundation. I normally don't bring a sponge if I'm just doing touch-ups. I just put some on my finger and dab it in and hope for the best. I also have some powder. Look at this, Evie, so cute. It's actually really adorable. My boyfriend got this for me. I was having a really bad day. It has hearts in it. It's like just the cutest. I love Pokemon and Eevee. And then of course I have a brush to brush that in with. And then I also have my liquid lipstick because my lips are always like constantly so chapped and so dry, so it like always peels off. So always have a lipstick with you and a chapstick too. Again, L'Occitane, literally the best for everything. Everything they make is superior, so L'Occitane. And then I have some eyelash glue. This I use for a lot of different things, not just for eyelashes, but if you have like one piece of hair that just wants to like in your face, you can literally take eyelash glue, a little bit of like a little dot, and then glue your wig down, and it works phenomenally. Well, of course I bring my camera with me too, but I have my separate camera bag for that, so I typically like strap that across this way and then put my backpack on, which is a lot of stuff, but I really enjoy filming my convention experiences. But that is typically, oh my god, no it's not, we forgot our most important thing, friends. How are we gonna buy stuff, friends? How are we going to buy the entire dealer's hall, the entire artist alley without our wallets? This is my penguin wallet. I love him. He was a gift from my mom. I have way nicer ones, but I just love this like $2 penguin wallet. And I have my driver's license in here, my debit cards, I keep cash in here, sometimes I'll put my meds in here. I just dropped him. But definitely bring your wallet too. I can't believe I forgot your wallet. And your keys if you have keys too. Like don't forget your room key or your like car keys or something like that. Put them on a lanyard. That's typically what I do at school, is I put them on a lanyard and then I'll like rope them in. And even for like convention badges too, it's really easy to hide those with like a safety pin. You can just pin them to your waistband or like pin them to your cape or like shove them in your knee-high boots or something. Hello, editing lady here. One more thing I forgot to add in is bring a wig bag with you. Like shove just the plastic bag into your bag, so that way like at the end of the day when your head is like hot and tired and you don't want to wear a wig, you're not gonna ruin it. You can just put it in the bag and then slip it into your backpack. You're welcome. I am so excited to attend conventions again in a safe environment. Yay! The last convention I was at was like Anime Boston. Oh my god, 2 years ago. It's been over 2 years now since I've been to an anime convention and I miss them so bad. So I am so excited to start to go to anime conventions once everyone is vaccinated and everyone is safe, and I can't wait to see my friends. So if you have not been vaccinated, please go get the vaccine because I want to see my friends. I want all of us to be safe. I want all of us to stop missing out on these wonderful experiences. And I just want life to resume to normal in a safe way. So that's about it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next time.